Hello friends, Art Keeper is here. Myself Shaman Bhomik, and this is my studio. I did this video few months back in Kolkata. Right now मैं कहाँ हूँ, कैसे घूम रहा हूँ, कहाँ पे हूँ, काफ़ी लोगों को पता भी नहीं है. Maybe I am in Delhi, but people don't know. So I don't want to reveal much. These are my artist books. 6 of them displayed over here. This is not complete, this is incomplete. I'm still working on this. So I'll start with this one. Well, this was the first one basically, जो मैंने बहुत पहले किया था. In 2019, 2020. That time my mother was alive and तब कुछ इस तरह के काम मैं करता था. And this is मौशा. मौशा मतलब मच्छर. एक मच्छर आदमी को, एक डायलॉग है नाना पाटेकर, एक मच्छर आदमी को हिजरा बना देता है. सो यू स्टार्ट क्लैपिंग लाइक दैट. सो आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू एनी जेंडर थिंग, बट कहने की बात यह है कि मौशा मतलब मच्छर. दिस आर मोर लाइक पैरासाइट्स. और मौशा का एक और भी मीनिंग है. दो फेमस पॉलिटिशियंस हैं जिनका नाम नहीं लेना चाहूँगा. वो दो महापुरुषों के नाम से ये मौशा बना है. So all drawings being done using graphite pencils, mostly socio-political. इसमें symbolism, metaphors बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, because at that time things were different, and I just all these drawings got over just before the COVID time. 2019 में ज़्यादा काम हुआ था उसके बाद. And this was the second one which I did in Kolkata, because after this I was doing this along with Manush drawings. Manush की drawing भी कर रहा था, and I was doing this one also, distorted. इसके भी ये भी एक artist book है, and this I started in Delhi when I was in Delhi, and I did a lot of drawings with using this acrylic pen. And again you have to buy the entire book. So इसमें भी काम incomplete है, and I have to do a lot of other works. I'm still working on this book in Kolkata also. बीच में दिल्ली भी हूँ, तो दिल्ली में भी काम करूँगा. I might travel to बनारस, so वहाँ पे भी काम करेंगे. चंडीगढ़ तो चंडीगढ़ में भी करेंगे. So let's talk about all this first. And this one is the second one. वैसे second ये distorted है. So you can say this is the third one. बहुत सारे हैं. First is Manush. That is my artist book Manush. उसके बाद distorted, then Mosha. I got this beautiful diary as a gift from a publisher in Kolkata. इसमें काम अलग तरह के हैं. As you can see, it depends upon the situation, the mood I have. जिस तरह के situation, जिस तरह के psychological condition है, जिस तरह के surroundings हैं, जो मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है उस वक्त, उस पर डिपेंड करता है ये सारे काम. I don't prepare myself for all these drawings. This is very spontaneous. ये पेंसिल से ड्रॉ करने के बाद नहीं हुआ है. I have not used the pencil to draw the outlines or the details, all that. It is directly using the pen. Sometimes normal fountain pen, reed pen, and this is ink which I bought from this shop in Kolkata. And yeah, so 2004 में हुआ था ये entire work. It shows a different mindset, different kind of situation I was going through. right? So one has to buy the entire book. I'll not tear out the pages and you can buy, individual drawings. No, you can't. So after this, I started working on this one, पाखी. जिस ऑर्डर में शुरू किया मैं उस ऑर्डर में दिखा रहा हूँ आपको. पाखी इज़ बर्ड या पंछी. This again shows a different kind of mindset. So I wanted to fly. I still want to fly like a bird. I want to be free like a bird. I want to fly like a bird. एक पंछी की तरह खुले आसमान में उड़ने का बड़ा शौक रहता है. Without any foundation, without any, so इस तरह के सोच चल रहा था अभी. This Kejuk I got it from Delhi. Again, you have to buy the entire book. I will not tear out the pages. You can't buy individual drawings from here. Then comes this one, Bizarre. Last year I started working on all these drawings. This is again an artist book. So I have not written anything, no poems, no quotes, nothing. But I'll be experimenting with a lot of things. Right now I'm doing something different. एक artist book और हो रहा है अभी. It's in the process. If someone wants to exhibit this works, you're most welcome. Please contact me, connect with me on Facebook, on Instagram, or by checking my blog, or you can call me up. You can WhatsApp me. You can directly mail to me, Soumen, SOUMEN 99@gmail.com. So I'll be posting this video on YouTube on my own channel, Art Keeper. From Art Keeper, you can also get my contact. And you can contact me if you want to buy these books, artist books, or you want to exhibit it, part of any exhibition. If someone is curating an exhibition of artist books or sketchbooks, you are most welcome to contact me. Whether it's in India or abroad. These are all spontaneous works. Sometimes I do more than 20 or 30 drawings in one single day. मूड होता है तो कर देते हैं, मूड नहीं होता है तो नहीं करते हैं. See, Bengal's handicraft and all those things have an impact on me right now, as you can see. वो तो है, हो रहा है. And I have not titled this artist book, but again I completed this book. I started in 2024, and I completed this entire work in 2024. But this is something different in the sense it's this is double-sided. So all the works, so you have works on both sides of the page. So this is double-sided artist book. I recently had my solo exhibition in Zurich last year in Switzerland, and that was my 4th exhibition solo, and that was my first solo in Europe. Yeah, maybe many more will follow, but right now I'm concentrating on artist books. Mood है, बस मज़ा आ रहा है. So I'm experimenting with forms. I'm experimenting on a lot of things. It's more. It's a human form with a kind of having a metamorphosis, while it's become kind of something animalistic. इसमें सोसाइटी की काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें भी हैं लेकिन पूरी तरह से नहीं है. सो मे बी यू कैन फाइंड आउट एन एनिमल ओवर हेयर लाइक एनिमल फॉर्म और ह्यूमन फॉर्म, सेमी ह्यूमन फॉर्म, or a bird, an elephant, a crow, a clown in the form of an elephant, anything. It's up to you. You explore. ये सारी बातें मैं नहीं बताऊंगा आपको, आप एक्सप्लोर कीजिए. It's your playground. You explore all these drawings. While watching all these drawings, going through all these drawings, you can actually make out the kind of mental status of that person, of that artist, what exactly is going through, he or she is going through. Well, again, you might find something very funny, something very serious, something very playful. So I just want to explore. I don't want to be specific with anything. मैं कुछ भी स्पेसिफिक कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ यहाँ पे, कुछ आप पे छोड़ देता हूँ. Again, I'm saying if someone wants to buy all these artist books, one can contact me directly and buy these books, artist books, and then only I'll let you know the price. Price only on request, only on request. And you can make all these books part of some curated exhibition or any exhibition on artist books or whatever. Or you can have this for any kind of book fair, whether it's in Delhi or in Kolkata book fair or in any other part of the world. So you can make these books part of an art exhibition or book fair also. If someone wants to collaborate with me using all these drawings, you're most welcome. One can use these drawings for any of the book cover also, but then again you have to contact me and I'll let you know the pros and cons and the terms and conditions. It is over. So this is what I'm working on right now. इसमें मज़ा आएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. Again, it's double sided. I was doing work over here. I said this is in process. Now you can see a lot of colors. I'm applying a lot of colors. I used to apply a lot of colors, but after my mother's death, I only used to work in black and white. I love black and white. I don't know why, but now I'm finding more colors over here. पता नहीं, शायद मेरे पर्सनल लाइफ के वजह से हो, या हो सकता है कैलकाटा इज़ मोर कलरफुल. मे बी, आई डोंट नो. वेल, पर्सनल लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ भाई. आई एम नॉट अटैच्ड टू एनी वन. So this is something I'm working on right now. This is something different, and more birds and figures with no specific titles. It's exploration of line and colors and playing with the form, just like that. So it's like few seconds, that's it. ये कुछ seconds के काम है. This took me say around 15 to half an hour, 15 minutes to half an hour, or a few seconds. That's it, just like that. So it's a comparison of, you know, two different worlds, two different styles, two different language in one single book. So there's a two different language. So Calcutta has influenced me in many ways. The colors, the forms, the यहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखता हूँ इनके यू नो हैंडीक्राफ्ट, जो ट्रेडिशनल बंगाल हैंडीक्राफ्ट है वो देखता हूँ मैं, एंड आई गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दैट एंड इट इन्फ्लुएंस मी इन मेनी वेज. सो वो दिमाग में चलते रहते हैं, तो इट कम्स इन टू माई वर्क एंड इट्स नेचुरल, इट्स वेरी नेचुरल. व्हेन आई एम मूविंग अराउंड, मैं कभी गंगा के घाट में जाके बैठ जाता हूँ, आई जस्ट कीप मूविंग अराउंड एंड व्हेन आई वॉच I get inspired by my surroundings. I don't go for Instagram, I don't watch the YouTube, or I don't look for any references. No, I don't do that. I just observe the nature, I just observe my surroundings. I observe, you know, the small little shops over there around me. जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ कलकत्ता में, वहाँ पे छोटे छोटे जो दुकानें हैं, मैं उनको देखता हूँ, उनके अंदर अच्छी चीज़ें रखी हैं उनको ऑब्जर्व करता हूँ, एंड आई जस्ट enjoy. So again, see this. So oh yeah, many more will follow. So friends, एक शॉर्ट टूर था मेरा आप लोगों के लिए, मेरे आर्टिस्ट बुक के लिए. Again, anybody can collaborate with me for any kind of projects, art projects, whether it's in India or abroad and any part of India. So let's keep in touch with each other and support artists. Keep watching Artkeeper. Support Artkeeper. Please subscribe, please share with your friends and family. सपोर्ट कीजिए, प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, जैसा भी कमेंट हो कमेंट कीजिए. अच्छा नहीं लगे तो just write you don't like it. If you like it, write you like it. Whatever is your comment, please do react. Please support Artkeeper and please सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते आप लोग, सब्सक्राइब प्लीज़ कीजिए. थैंक यू सो मच and Happy New Year and enjoy art. Thank you so much.